Directions, Q6 to 15. Each of the following sentences in this section has a blank space and is followed by 4 choices. Select the most appropriate choice to fill in the blank. 6. Working in dim light blank space issues such as glaucoma. A. Contributes. B. Precipitates. C. Eradicates. D. Eliminates. Correct answer, A. Contributes. Working in dim light contributes to issues such as glaucoma. The word contributes means to cause or add to something. In this context, dim light increases the risk of eye problems. कम रोशनी में काम करना ग्लूकोमा जैसी समस्याओं में योगदान करता है। Contributes का मतलब है किसी चीज का कारण बनना या उसमें योगदान देना। यहाँ पर कम रोशनी आंखों की समस्याओं का कारण बन सकती है। 7. He owns several sports cars and has a blank space lifestyle. A. Opulent. B. Occult. C. Ocular. D. Obscure. Correct answer, A. Opulent. Opulent means luxurious or wealthy. The sentence describes someone who owns sports cars and lives a lavish lifestyle. Opulent का मतलब है भव्य या समृद्ध। ये वाक्य एक ऐसे व्यक्ति को वर्णित करता है जो खेल कारों का मालिक है और एक शानदार जीवन शैली जीता है। 8. Those medicines, blank space, are used to treat kidney infection, have been withdrawn from the market. A. What? B. Which? C. When? D. Who? Correct answer, B. Which. Which is the correct relative pronoun used to refer to medicines. It connects the clause describing the medicines to the main sentence. Which एक उचित संबंधवाचक सर्वनाम है जो दवाओं को संदर्भित करता है। यह उपवाक्य को मुख्य वाक्य से जोड़ता है। 9. Blank space intake of sugar can cause health problems. A. Excess. B. Excess of. C. Excessive. D. Excessively. Correct answer, C. Excessive. Excessive is an adjective describing an overly high intake of sugar that can lead to health issues. एक्सेसिव एक विशेषण है जो चीनी के अत्यधिक सेवन को दर्शाता है जो स्वास्थ्य समस्याएं पैदा कर सकता है। 10. She suffered blank space pain because of the leg injury. A. Hurting. B. Excruciating. C. Consuming. D. Protracting. Correct answer, B. Excruciating. Excruciating means severe or intense pain. It appropriately describes the suffering caused by a leg injury. Excruciating का मतलब है गंभीर या तीव्र दर्द। ये पैर की चोट से होने वाली पीड़ा को सही तरीके से व्यक्त करता है। 11. The country's politics blank space complex with more than 10 parties competing for power. A. Are. B. Am. C. Is. D. Were. Correct answer, A. Are. Politics is treated as a plural noun here, so the verb are is correct. पॉलिटिक्स यहाँ बहुवचन संज्ञा के रूप में प्रयोग किया गया है, इसलिए आ सही क्रिया है। 12. The job advertisement stipulates that the applicant blank space 3 years experience. A. Have. B. Had. C. Shall have. D. Must have. Correct answer, D. Must have. Must have indicates a necessity or requirement, which is suitable for a job advertisement. Must have ये दर्शाता है कि यह एक अनिवार्यता है जो नौकरी के विज्ञापन के लिए उपयुक्त है। 13. Newspapers have reported heavy flooding in the coastal areas. The damaged blank space to be extensive. A. Expected. B. Is expecting. C. Has been expected. D. Is expected. Correct answer, D. Is expected. The phrase is expected indicates a prediction or estimation based on the reports. Is expected इस बात का संकेत देता है कि रिपोर्ट के आधार पर अनुमान लगाया जा रहा है। 14. The local bank was robbed by a group of men, blank space were armed. A. 4 of whom. B. 4 of these. C. 4 of those. D. 4 whom. Correct answer, A. 4 of whom. The phrase 4 of whom correctly refers to the men who were armed. 4 of whom सही तरीके से उन पुरुषों को संदर्भित करता है जो हथियारबंद थे। 15. The country blank space several economic changes in the past 2 decades. A. Underwent. B. Had undergone. C. Will be undergoing. D. Have been undergoing. Correct answer A. Underwent. Underwent is the correct past tense verb to describe changes that have already occurred. Underwent एक सही भूतकाल क्रिया है जो उन परिवर्तनों का वर्णन करती है जो पहले हो चुके हैं।